The web is loaded with data and benefits of blockchain innovation. For sure, blockchain brings tremendous potential with a great deal of benefits to the table, particularly as far as security and speed of information move. Notwithstanding, with regards to meeting the availability issues, blockchain has its own constraints. Here comes the job of circulated record innovation that overrides the whole range of blockchain-based arrangements, giving responses to all questions that up to this point stayed unanswered. Before we dive into the particle cost expectation, let us examine a portion of the exceptional elements of particle. Particle, the foundation. Appropriated record innovation is a through-and-through various idea which individuals most frequently will quite often mistake for blockchain-situated digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, arising as the most encouraging answer for adaptability. This appropriated record innovation has been the base of beginning for Miota, or all the more famously called particle. A progressive idea, particle engages the web of things, conceptualized to resolve issues, as previously mentioned, relating to adaptability. Particle puts together its fundaments with respect to making lives more engaged and quick. Particle, the development story. Discuss cash or bringing in cash. In any event, so far as that is concerned, cash brings in cash. Particle is a definitive arrangement intended to upgrade the M2M economy of web of things. Particle was presented way back in 2015. As a quantum-safe disseminated record convention, with the unadulterated target of particle being to ensure a whenever any place available decentralized installment framework. Be it miniature or nano, it offers arrangements that guarantee information uprightness with no think twice about security. Particle, assurance without any trade-offs. The difficulties of blockchain innovation being information availability likewise came in bundles. Those bundles included more slow exchanges, however greater expenses. Particle guaranteed these repetitive expenses are disposed of alongside the benefit of the greater speed of exchanges. This valued computerized cash offered clients the benefit of fixed cash at no inflationary expense. The decentralized agreement of Particle makes clients their own lords of approval. Like blockchain, this advanced resource Particle additionally doesn't call for pretending of any mediators. Dealing with a totally unique record stage called the knot, Particle requires an extremely insignificant responsibility of computation. Like different stages, Tangle shuns offering clients any gifts of remunerations and doesn't expect to do as such in the future, all things considered. Particle, the organic parent of Miota, a unit and computerized resource of Particle, Miota can be bought on completely noted trades. The M means Uber uncovering the genuine very capability of this crypto resource. Sent off in the year 2016. Miota had extraordinary help from parent Particle establishment, contributed approx. $500,000 in Particle digital money from its group deal, comparable to 1 million. The one Miota would address a million bit, seeking to be positioned as the primary clear decision in web-associated gadgets. Particle expects to empower micropayment exchanges through Miota. For instance, purchasing food from an e-com webpage utilizing your web-connected ice chest may not be a far-off dream. Miota, the local symbolic that is exchanged on different trades by a large number of clients overall, is yet to situate itself in the centralized server of wise venture commendable monetary standards. As a credulous contestant, this crypto resource is yet to get momentum of financial backers as the market shows vulnerability towards its inborn potential. There are numerous crypto which are confronting bull run, so exchanging Particle is prudent right now. Market expectation for Particle, taking a specialist helpline. With a market capitalization of $2,205,228,080.42 and an exchanging volume of $17,708,800, Particle has a ton to shock financial backers. Particle has to its ruin being the slowest and surprisingly being the reliably developing crypto resource classification. The originators behind Particle are exceptionally hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Particle has a great deal of vows to see for its fans. In light of our Particle figures, a drawn-out increment is normal. The Particle Miota cost expectation for 2027 is $6.35. With a 5-year venture, the income at the cost of Particle is supposed to be around plus 439.36%. As indicated by crypto investigators in specialized examination, the Particle cost is gauged to reach $1.10 by the start of 2022. The normal most extreme cost is $1.44. And the least cost 99 cents. The anticipated typical cost of Particle toward the finish of 2022 is $1.40. In last year, Particle finished a lot of ventures. It will likewise deal with numerous impending undertakings later on. Consequently, an overall bullish forecast of $9.84 toward the finish of 2025. Particle is by all accounts showing positive disorder. The bullish pattern will push it up like other crypto monsters as well. As per particle expectation and term conjecture, cost of Miota may generally depend on $1.13 and up to $1.36 in 1 year and 3 years separately, with the ongoing cost of 81 cents at the hour of composing this specialized examination and presently 2,779,530,283 Miota on the lookout. Particle cost expectations from the specialized experts of the particle cryptographic money market show a differentiated pattern with a combine of bears and bulls as one. Notwithstanding, the future cost expectations for 2022 are to a great extent bullish. However, particle didn't beat during the last year. There is a great deal to be said as a civility pandemic. The vast majority of the contenders of particle also didn't entrance the brokers by the same token. Be that as it may, particle has attempted to cruise even, which is a novel component to discuss. Its contribution in different bold tasks has guaranteed that its cost keeps up the energy. The above graph portrays that the cost isn't expanding much since the long stretch of September 2021. As the cost has consistently gone down, it is anticipated that it could ascend from here on out. Particle Value Forecast 2022. Presently, the Miota cost weights around 78 cents with a flowing stock of 2,779,530,283 Miota. The money has a market cap of $2,184,444,517.43. Starting from the start of this current year, particle has stamped gigantic decay and is exchanging simply over its pivotal help 74 cents. As per particle cost expectation 2022, throughout the course of recent days, the cost of particle set apart sideways exchanging, which reflects plausibility of potential gain development the present moment. In light of particle value gauge and particle cost expectation for 2022, we anticipate that particle cost might cross $1.05 toward the finish of 2022. Particle Value Forecast 2023. Instability is the innate trait of the particle coin, thus any kind of outlandish particle Miota value forecast would be a difficult assignment. Be that as it may, going by the master value gauge and market feelings, the temperament looks quite good. As per Particle Forecast 2023, the particle coin cost might cross the most extreme value level of $1.27 with conceivable least value level of around $1.04. The typical cost of particle could reach to $1.16 toward the finish of 2023. Particle Value Forecast 2024. To foresee long-haul particle value figures, merchants and particle financial backers ought to do essential specialized examination, particle network as well as basics, keeping additionally the early highlights of Miota being not difficult to store and other DLT-driven ecological benefit. One can consider that particle crypto estimates would be essential to the mechanical headway of the record information base for versatility and capacity. Likewise, keeping in context how particle shares the rationale and data set of various gadgets that all in all run it, it makes the exchanges more dependable and proficient. This could drive the particle flexibility rate and increment its valuation to around $1.62 toward the finish of 2024. Particle Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the particle value keeps on performing emphatically and